Stop throwing this away. That sourdough starter discard you feel guilty about, it's not trash. It's the secret to the easiest, crispiest, totally shelf-stable crackers you will ever make. I'm MJ, your refrigerator eliminator from loadedpotato.org. I'm about to turn your kitchen scrap into a pantry hero. If you bake sourdough, you know the struggle. You feed the starter, you have to discard some. It feels so wasteful, and you almost cry when you watch it go down the garbage. But what if I told you you could transform it into a snack that lasts for weeks in your pantry, needs zero refrigeration, and uses only 3 other ingredients you already have? No specialty flours, no weird tools. These 3 ingredients, this is all you need. Some coconut oil, salt, and your starter. Here's the whole recipe. Easy peasy, you don't even have to write it down, but I'll post it in the description below if you need it. First things first, preheat your oven to 350. A half a cup of sourdough discard, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now we're just gonna mix it all together. If your house is cold and you're using coconut oil, you may have to preheat the oil to make sure it turns into a liquid form. We're in Texas, so we don't need to do that. Coconut oil pretty much stays in liquid form at all times. Once you got it all mixed together, you're gonna get yourself a pan and some parchment paper and spread your mixture out into a nice even layer, really thin, almost translucent. All right, once you got it all into a nice thin layer, now we're gonna sprinkle some everything but the bagel seasoning on top. Should look something like that. And now we're gonna throw it in our oven that's been preheating at 350 for 10 minutes, so keep a close eye on it. Once it's been in the oven for about 10 minutes, we're gonna pull it out. Should be looking something like this. Whoops, like this. Now we're just gonna score it into whatever size crackers you want. All right, now we're gonna stick it back in the oven for another 10-15 minutes and let it finish cooking. Once they're nice and golden brown, we're gonna pull them out of the oven, and here they are. They smell so good. The coconut oil, it just adds a delicious flavor to it. Gonna let them sit, let them cool, and then we can dive in. That's it. You've just turned potential waste into a delicious, durable, shelf-stable snack. They're perfect for soups, cheese, or just by the handful. This is a loaded potato mindset. See a problem, find a pantry-friendly solution, eliminate the hassle and the waste. Ready to never waste starter again? Here's your 2-step fix. First, hit subscribe and follow me. I'm constantly finding these simple, game-changing hacks that make cooking with what you have easier and smarter. Second, get the exact recipe with all the measurements and all the seasonings in the description below. Third, tell me in the comments, what's one other kitchen scrap or leftover you wish you could transform into a delicious food? Sourdough discard crackers was just the beginning. Your pantry is full of solutions. Want more cheat codes like this? Follow me and check out loadedpotato.org for pantry-only meals. No chopping, no stress, and fun experiments to stretch your pennies and your pantry. Till next time.